The leaders of the world's 20 largest economies have wrapped up their two-day virtual summit. There, President Moon Jae-in reiterated South Korea's aim of going carbon neutral by 2050. A joint communique adopted at the end, the leaders reaffirmed their commitment to reducing emissions, to ensure universal access to COVID-19 vaccines, and to finding ways to enable essential cross-border exchanges. Kim Min-ji reports.
In a speech, the G20 Leaders Summit, President Moon Jae-in reaffirmed South Korea's commitment to achieving carbon neutrality by 2050. According to the Blue House, Moon said Seoul will keep pace with the international community in working toward that goal, and he introduced the country's efforts so far.
President Moon said that South Korea plans to draw up a long-term strategy for carbon neutrality and renew its 2030 nationally determined contribution goal and submit it to the UN by the end of the year. To achieve this goal, the president said South Korea should shift its energy policy and put more weight on the green economy, introducing the government's Green New Deal initiative.
In the leader statement adopted following the two-day virtual summit hosted by Saudi Arabia, the G20 endorsed the circular carbon economy platform aimed at reducing emissions through its 4 Rs: reduce, reuse, recycle, and remove. Also in their joint communique, the leaders pledged to spare no efforts to ensure affordable and equitable access to safe and effective COVID-19 drugs and vaccines for all, stressing that extensive immunization is a global public good. The G20 members said they stand united in their conviction that coordinated global action, solidarity, and multilateral cooperation are more necessary than ever.
We have upheld our commitment to continue to work together to rise the challenge of the COVID-19 pandemic in order to safeguard lives and livelihoods and protect the most vulnerable groups. We have adopted important policies that will achieve recovery all the way to an economy that is resilient, sustainable, inclusive, and balanced.
The leaders also agreed that supporting a multilateral trading system is important to realizing the goal of a free, fair, inclusive, and stable environment for trade and investment. To that end, the G20 members said they are committed to ensuring that global transportation routes and supply chains remain open and that they will continue to explore concrete ways to facilitate the movement of people in a way that it does not impede efforts to protect public health. This was first proposed by President Moon during the G20 Extraordinary Summit in March. Seoul's top office said that the G20 meeting was an opportunity for South Korea to expand its leadership role as a responsible middle power with experience in tackling COVID-19, and for the country to position itself as a global pace-setter. Kim Min-ji, Arirang News.